Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're diving into a common issue in PHP, the openssl extension. This extension is crucial for secure communication. It handles SSL/TLS encryption. Without it, your website might not be secure. We will cover how to troubleshoot its absence or misconfiguration. First, we will check if openssl is enabled in your PHP setup. Then, we'll explore common causes for it being disabled. We will cover installation and configuration steps. Finally, we'll tackle some common error messages. Let's get started. First, let's verify if the openssl extension is enabled. Create a simple PHP file named info.php. Inside, add the line. Access this file through your web browser. Search for openssl on the page. If you find it, the extension is enabled. You'll see information about its version and configuration. If you can't find it, it's likely disabled or not installed. Now, let's consider why openssl might be disabled. One common reason is that the extension is not enabled in the php.ini file. This file configures PHP's behavior. Locate your php.ini file. Its location varies depending on your operating system and PHP installation. Common locations include /etc/php/7.4/cli/php.ini or /etc/php/apache2/php.ini. Open the php.ini file with a text editor. Search for the line extension =openssl. If it's commented out, starts with a semicolon, remove the semicolon to uncomment it. Save the file and restart your web server. For example, use sudo system to restart Apache 2 on Linux. If the extension is missing entirely, you need to install it. On Debian or Ubuntu, use sudo apt-get install php openssl. On CentOS or Fedora, use sudo yum install php openssl. After installation, restart your web server again. Make sure the extension is also enabled in your CLI php.ini file if you use PHP from the command line. Sometimes, the path to the openssl library is incorrect. This can cause errors. Ensure the extension _dir directive in your php.ini points to the correct directory. This directory contains the openssl extension file. You can usually find the extension file in the php extensions directory. A common error message is call to undefined function openssl_encrypt. This usually means the openssl extension is not properly loaded. Double-check the steps above. Verify the extension is enabled in php.ini. Also, ensure you've restarted your web server. Another common issue is related to missing dependencies. Make sure your system has the necessary openssl libraries installed. On Linux, you might need to install libssl-dev. Remember to consult your operating system's documentation for specific package names. Another thing to consider is multiple PHP versions installed on your system. You might be modifying the php.ini file for the wrong PHP version. Use phpv to check your current PHP version. Ensure you're editing the php.ini file for that version. Finally, if you're using a hosting provider, they might have disabled openssl for security reasons. Contact their support team to inquire about enabling it. This concludes our troubleshooting guide. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support helps us create more content like this.